I'm so excited. Yeah. I just picked up something super special and left a specific place. We got her back, baby. 1 week exactly. It was actually done 2 days ago, but I had to wait till Friday to come pick everything up, like the metal on my bike. But it is ready. Ready to rip. We're here at the ORV park. We got new grips, new chain, new rear tire, got that sprocket fixed, got that oil change. I'd say we're dialed up, man. I'm ready to freaking rip. Me and my buddy Josh are headed to the car wash now. My bike absolutely rips now. I swear my front wheel was probably on the ground 50% of the time. It wasn't, there was no question about lifting the front end. That shit is crazy. I love it though. We're headed at the car wash now. See you there. Oh, yeah. That shit. So muddy. Yeah, so fresh and so clean. Just like that, today is the day. That's a nice panel. 3 on. So far, so good. I've also been putting some caulk on every lap. So far 2 of them. This is 3 sheets. Got about 4+ more. It's almost there. It's looking great, honestly. The dimensions of my building are definitely off a little bit. That's nothing we can't work around though. Just like that, we got some metal sheets on. Pretty much got a roof. Damn. Heck yeah. A small sliver right here to fill in. And I got 1 more sheet. I will also have to trim this side because this will get a side piece trim and both sides will get trimmed too. And huge shout out to these guys, Northwest Steel. They came through and saved my project for sure. But I need a metal blade for my skill saw. So I'm gonna go to Home Depot, get that. And then finish out my weekend doing grocery shopping and that kind of thing. And yeah, I also may go do more testing on the bike. But that being said, that's it for this video. Thank you so much, I appreciate it. Peace out.